BITM student, and now we are talking about
Trait theories. Trait theory. Leadership consider leaders to progress common traits determined of physical appearance, intelligence, and self-confidence. And these are the following.
Sociability, persistence, initiative, knowing how to get things done.
Alertness to an insight into situation.
Corporation and popularity.
adaptability and verbal facility.
Extraversion, individuals who being around and able to absent themselves.
Hello, good morning. Oh, Ivan, Din, how's our service? It's okay or there's in a problem?
So far, sir, it's okay.
Let me see your papers. Well, actually, it's good because our company needs to provide more quality of service because it is really needed because we want the customer satisfaction.
Conscientiousness, individual who are disciplined and commitments they make.
Nice. Can I see the collection this month?
Yes, sir. This is the record of the collection this month. Yes, sir. The collection of this month is going well.
Good. Congrats.
Openness, individuals who are creative and flexible.
Hey, how's your day?
It's okay, sir.
It's okay lang ba na I have my favor for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Well, actually, I have my design for the I teach motorcycle. So I need to cut. Okay lang.
Okay, sir. Emotional intelligence, who are able to understand and manage their feelings and emotions.
Hey,
Hi, good morning, sir.
did you finish my given task to you?
Now, sir, I'm trying to finish my work, but I have a personal problem, and I hope you can understand my situation.
Well, Joanna,
Sorry.
I understand your situation. So maybe you finish the task that I'm giving to you. So you need more relax. If there's a problem, just tell me so that I can help you. Anyone you want is I give to you. You need vacation or going anywhere.
For that, sir, thank you for your understanding.
No problem.